Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on VIVO Y19. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click here, go to settings and click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.